A lot of you are asking why Switzerland ang taas ng cost of living dyan. Well, actually mataas nga ang cost of living here, but working here as a nurse, nagko-compensate naman lahat. But ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga dito is the work-life balance. And since nature lover ako, grabe rin sa ganda ang kapaligiran here. Malinis, maraming outdoor activities, the lake and the mountain talagang breathtaking. Also, the country is very safe compared to other countries in Europe. Also, the currency here, the Swiss francs, is very strong. Actually, mas mataas na nga siya sa euro right now. The quality of life here is also very chill. People are also polite and kind. And also, since Switzerland is in the heart of Europe, very accessible din siya if you want to travel in other country like in Italy, France, or Germany. Imagine if I want to go to Milan, I can only take trains just 2 hours, or going to France 3 hours. So, very accessible talaga siya. And also, compared to other parts of the Europe, here medyo mas mababa ang tax niya. Kaya kahit medyo mataas ang cost of living, kahit papano, medyo malaki naman yung net salary na marireceive mo kasi nga medyo mas mababa yung tax. And syempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng mga pangangailangan and lifestyle. So, me as a single and no children, satisfied naman ako so far. So, yun lang, na-share ko lang sa inyo. Thank you. Merci. Adieu.